Most Samsung users don't even know this hidden feature exists. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock it in just a few seconds. This is called Dual Messenger. This means clone apps, and it lets you clone supported apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Snapchat, and more so you can run two separate accounts on the same device without any extra apps. Let's get into it. Go to your settings menu, scroll down until you find advanced features and tap on it. Inside this menu, look for Dual Messenger. This is the feature that makes everything possible. Once you open it, you'll see a list of compatible apps installed on your phone. Now simply toggle on the switch next to the app you want to duplicate. For example, if you want two WhatsApp accounts, turn on WhatsApp here. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. Tap Install, then confirm the disclaimer to continue. Now your phone will automatically create a second separate version of that app. Go back to your app drawer and you'll notice the cloned app instantly. It will have a small orange icon badge which helps you easily identify it from the original. Now you can log in with a different account and use both apps independently. No logging in and out, no hassle. Now you know how to use Dual Messenger like a pro. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Android tricks.